Just pouring some Mosuri Dal in the pan and I'll wash it. Just like pour some water, use your hands to just make sure that they're clean. And then I usually like wash it 3 times. And once you know the water is clear, your dal is clean. So I do that. And can you see how hazy the water is? So I just make sure it's clear. We slit the green chillies in half. Add the slit green chillies to the pressure cooker. Add the washed dal. Now to this we will add a tiny bit of mustard oil. That's it. To this we add salt. I'm adding some turmeric powder for color. That's it. I'm adding some hot water now. And there you go. Yep, should be enough. Now, go to the fire. Ta-da! Can you see it's a bit grainy? Now I whisk it so that it's not so grainy and it's more like flowy, fine dal. Easy peasy. I'm gonna just check a little bit. We need a bit of salt. We are pouring some mustard oil now, just a little bit. That's it. This is an easy meal, so if you are tired, you don't want to cook much, you just want something under 30 minutes, you just cook dal. Now we add the dal. Are you ready for this? You better get this. Just adding the coriander for aroma. The dal is done. Look at it, how pretty it is. Like, look at the colors. We're making Aalu Bhaja to go with our dal and bhat. And I'm making this for my Paul uncle because he says he can't make it. I'm gonna make it easier for him. It's literally 3 ingredients: potato, turmeric powder, and salt. That's it. Oh, and oil. So we cut the potatoes in small chunks. This is super tasty, so easy to make, and like a proper Bengali thing. Put some rice on as well. While the rice is cooking, we are gonna make the Aalu Bhaja. And now we pour the oil. We use mustard oil because that's the best oil in the world. Or so we Bengalis think. Don't waste a drop. We're gonna add some turmeric powder and salt. Now you just let it cook. This is gondho lebu. Gondho is smell, nice smell. Oh my god, so good. You usually have it with dal, aloo bhaja and rice. Just gives a different experience altogether. And our aloo bhaja is done. That means if you see to this lemons, these are like smelly lemons.
Smelly lemons.